As the topic is being presented, I would like to ask one of you to stand up and read what is on the board for me. Mubarak, what's the meaning of factors?
Factors are numbers which can divide a number without a remainder.
Very good, Mubarak. Okay, since we've known the meaning of factors, now we are going to take a little example about these factors. So we are going to use number 6 as our example to see the factors of 6. So example, we have 1, 2, 3 and 6, which are factors of 6. Usman and Ozilala, I realize that your mind are not here with me. Ozilala, stand up. What are factors? What are factors?
Factors are factors.
What? Factors are factors! Ozilala, what? Come back here. Pick up your bag and move out of my class. Right now! What? Ozilala, come and pick up your bag. Right now! Pick your bag and move out! Mubarak, where is that kid? Don't come back here again! This boy is crazy. It's crazy.
Ku danna subscribing sannan ku danna ƙararrawa domin samun sababbin shirye-shiryenmu na ƙayatarwa.